Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create beautiful and functional CSS loaders and spinners using HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. Loaders and spinners are essential for providing feedback to users while they wait for content to load. Let's get started. In this video, we'll cover 1. Basic structure with HTML. 2. Styling loaders with CSS. 3. Adding animations. 4. Implementing with JavaScript. First, let's create the basic HTML structure. Open your favorite code editor and create a new HTML file. We'll start with a simple boilerplate. Next, let's add some CSS to style our loader. Create a new file named styles.css and start with basic styling. Now, let's add the animation to make our loader spin. In your styles.css, add the following keyframes. Save your files and open the HTML file in your browser. You should see a spinning loader in the center of the screen. To make our loader more functional, let's use JavaScript to show and hide it based on some condition. Create a new file named script.js and add the following code. Refresh your browser, and you'll see the loader disappear after 5 seconds, simulating a content load. You can customize the loader's appearance and animation by tweaking the CSS properties. For example, you can change the colors, sizes, and animation duration. Experiment with different styles to match your website's design. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Now you can create and customize your own CSS loaders and spinners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.